Here at part 8. Isn't that exciting? This is my 8th video. I'm gonna go find us our train. Guys, I found us a train. Alright guys, I'm gonna find us another train. Alright guys, 2 more trains are coming, alright? Alright guys, you can see it. There's a CSX too, but it's going on a different track. Get a Mirsk train. This is a giant train.
Here comes a giant passenger one too.
Here comes a passenger one past it. Alright, I'm gonna find us another train.
No.
Alright, I found ourselves a train, you guys. Another train passing us. Barely tell it's there. Almost over. Please don't block us, Mirsk. Okay, we're blocked by the Mirsk. That was the end of the train anyway. Now I'm going to find us another train. There's one more train to see, which we're about to see it. Alright guys, we have our last train coming. See it in the distance. Here it is.
We have some more trains coming.
Well, we already seen it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.